Hi guys, welcome to another tutorial on my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to grab a video snapshot and how to remove that snapshot background. Okay, so let's go to my Filmora trial. Alright, so for example, here is my Filmora trial example project and I have a video here, a beautiful girl. Okay, so at this position, I want to grab a snapshot. All I need to do is to open the media file. And remember to open the project folder, because whenever you take a snapshot, it will come to your project folder. Okay, and then we want to click this option, snapshot. And now you want to select the snapshot format. So you will have two options, JPEG or PNG. For example, I can select PNG, and then I can select a location to save my snapshot. By the way, it is in snapshot folder on your computer, so I don't have to change it. And just click here, remember my choice. So next time it will be in PNG. Okay, just click here and then you can click OK. So you will have a snapshot in your media folder. Okay, so this is a snapshot, and let's delete the video and bring the snapshot onto the timeline. And now you will have a snapshot with zoom and pan effect. Okay, but I want to crop to fit it, so I can just right click at the snapshot on the timeline and then I can select crop to fit. Okay, and now what if I want to remove the background here? So there are two options for you. The first one is the AI portrait and the second one is the smart cutout. Okay, in order to use this feature, you want to double click at the snapshot on the timeline, select AI tools. Okay, and then you can scroll down here. Maybe we can use the AI portrait. Just enable it to see. Oh, that's nice. And then we can adjust the egg thickness right here and also the feather. Alright, and I think it's okay. And we can click OK. And now we can replace the background with something interesting. For example, this one. Okay, and just drag and drop this one onto the timeline and put it under your snapshot. And you will have this one. Now you want to adjust the snapshot, just make it like this. Okay, very nice. So this is the first way to remove the background. By the way, we have another option, which is the smart cutout, right? And we want to put the snapshot onto the timeline. Okay, and also right click and select crop to fit, and we can double click at the snapshot again, select AI tools, and then we can enable the smart cutout. Okay, and then we can click here to select the object. Okay, and now we have a brush and we want to select our object, just the object. Okay, and I will increase the brush size. Okay, something like this to make it faster. Okay, okay, and this hand, and this is also, and okay, it is too big. Let's reduce the size. Okay, I think it's okay, but we have to fix something here, so I'm going to select the eraser here and then erase it. Okay, because this is not her body. Okay, and we can toggle the transparent grid to see. Very nice. I think it's okay. By the way, you can do it more carefully. Okay, and let's click save. And now we have the snapshot here with the background removed, and let's click OK, and we can also use this background, and now we have a snapshot. Nice, right? So this is how to grab a video snapshot and remove the background of that snapshot in Filmora 12. I hope this video is helpful for you. If you have any more questions, just let me know in the comment section below. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Goodbye.